This is starting to get ridiculous, and I've been doing this for 35 years. I've never, ever experienced something like this before in my life. And I've seen every market environment. What am I trying to say here? Here's a trade on Hewlett Packard in a raging bull market, in a market that refuses to go down, in a market that won't go down. It can't go down. Yet we found a short opportunity in a tech stock and nailed it to the penny. So let me show you how to build this chart so you can follow along with me. And all it is a data grab. Today's VWAP is created by the computers. That's the blue line. The orange line is something that you just have to build yourself. So the idea is that you go and you go to indicators and you go to this right here, Anchored VWAP, and you click here. Anchored VWAP, it's up there for you. Lovely that Barchart's put this on here for us. This wasn't here many years ago, but now this is becoming the way to trade, and you need to know more about it. Click the button, add to the main pane, right? So before you get to that section, you click on that. Let me just show that to you again. So you're going indicators, Anchored VWAP, click on the Anchored VWAP line itself. This is what puts it on the chart. Click it, and I like to go back to data from a prior day. In this case, watch this. It's not going to change much different, but we're going to go back to June 1st, apply, and again, there it is. So each day I do anchor it to the prior day. Sometimes I'll leave 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days up there just to see where that's at. But my bread and butter trade has been today's VWAP to the prior day VWAP, and you see how lovely it worked today. And that's how you do it, my friends. So absolutely incredible. I've never seen anything that works this well. Let's walk through it. And let me remind you one more time. If you're trying to day trade and you're doing it without VWAP, stop right now. So what we like to look at, right? And I'll give you a little insight. Gapped up stocks like to sell off. Why? Because there are people out there that want to take profit, right? So what the VWAP is telling you is where that profit taking ensues. As you see right here, it tried to go down, but we're not going down yet. You got the little faux, you got the show back above VWAP, and you ripped. That's where we come in, right near the open. So with any trade, you don't know what's going to happen. You just play the percentages. So the percentages is that you're coming in looking at a stock that has already rallied 300% into this report. It's ripe for some profit taking. But in a market that never goes down, that doesn't matter anymore. So you sit there and you wait for it. You wait for the confirmation of that trade to start setting up. And we call it the finger of God. So here it is. Let me just zoom in a little bit. As it breaks a new high, we call that the knuckle. And then it rolls. So it's like the finger of God, the F5 hurricane from the movie Twister with Bill Paxton. You know you love that movie. And here's what you do know. You know that when stocks break VWAP, after ripping shorts heads off, they tend to retrace back to prior levels where it came from, the 59.50 area. But what you also do know is that because we're in an algorithmic market, the retrace, when it really starts going, you start to look for it to do what? Retrace back to, bang, prior day VWAP. And look how it hit it, my friends, to the penny, because the market's rigged to this stuff. Trading VWAP is the only way to survive. So let's say the trade didn't work. Let me zoom back in there again. Let's say it broke VWAP, turns around, makes a U-turn, breaks back above VWAP. You're immediately covering it because you don't want to see what it did over here. So you would have taken a small loss. But you wouldn't have got out of your entire position because now you have to see if it breaks back above the prior candles. So that's why this trade is so awesome. You know why you're getting in, and you know what your risks are. You're not going to allow it to break new highs, so that's the most you're risking. Let's call it 2 points. You're shorting here at 62 and change. The high of the day was 64 and change. There's your 2 points. Trading a $64 stock, that's a given. That's a classic amount of risk, 2-point risk. But when you look where the multi-day VWAP is, VWAP is down here from the prior day. That's how you calculate your risk. Are you willing to take a 2-point risk to possibly make close to 9 points? I hope the answer is yes. And that's what makes this trade so special. The market's not going down. Nothing's going down. But this stock is, because it's algorithmic. Boogie, woogie, woogie. And while I've got your attention, let me show you the other trade we did, and it was in Dollar General. And in this case, this was just your massive, just obliteration through the VWAP, through the prior day VWAP. We call this the 1 minute multi-day VWAP reversal. And look how it's been rejected at the prior day and the multi-day combined right there, giving you a reason to actually stay short this name. And again, in a raging bull market where shorting is basically illegal and detrimental to your health. My name's Kenny Glick. If you'd like to learn more, just email me, kennyglick@aol.com. My website is hitthebid.com. And we do live commentary 4 hours a day. Just got to email me, and I'll give you a couple of weeks to hang out and bask in the glory that is VWAP. Have a great day, everybody.